What's up guys, in this video let's check out the structural and body strength of Samsung's newly released budget smartphone, the Galaxy J6 2018 edition. The polycarbonate build Samsung Galaxy J6 is 154 grams in weight, and in the hand it does feel like a compact solidly built phone. It is a smaller 5.6-inch device with a fat thickness of 8.2mm, yet giving it a sleek profile. So it will be interesting to see the degree of flex or bend during the bend test. It is good to see an Infinity AMOLED display for the first time on a super budget SAME device, and the device actually looks cool with a slight curve at the back sides. But apart from the features which only Samsung provides, like Samsung Max, Samsung Pay Mini and Samsung Mall, in true Samsung style they have omitted basic sensors like the adaptive or auto brightness sensor, which is kind of an expected disappointment from them. As usual, let's start things off with the display scratch test, rubbing it with common items like keys and coins, and lastly with a heavy duty box cutter. The Samsung J6 2018 has some kind of 2.5D glass protection, but there is no mention of Gorilla Glass. But if it is of the same quality as Gorilla Glass, then it should survive the scratch test. Unless of course the keys or coins has rough or jagged edges on them, because those are the only times it has resulted in permanent faint scratches on some devices. The test did result in very faint but permanent scratches due to the coins and key, but for the very first time in my test, the box cutter also did leave faint permanent marks. Fortunately, the scratches are not easily visible to the naked eye unless under bright lights. So I guess you can't call this a 100% pass. Best is to always use a tempered glass to protect it from bad drops and scratches over time. Now moving on to the bend test, every Samsung phone tested on the channel has passed the test without it suffering any sort of damage. So let's see if this new longish Infinity design on the J6 can withstand my bend force. The J6 2018 reminds me of phones like the C7 Pro, Honor 7X and Redmi Note 5 in terms of structural strength, since it had minimal to no flex to it even after applying extra pressure as you just witnessed. Samsung keeps proving time and again that it makes super strong phones as far as structural strength goes. Stay tuned for more interesting tech stuff and upcoming devices like the Realme 1 and Xiaomi Y2. Thanks for watching, keep the peace, catch you next time.